¿sabes? Ajá. Pero le preguntan allí a la casa del lado, que está una casita en el lado, le preguntan allí en la casita del lado. Ajá, y entran. Ajá, si entran por allí.
Qué bonito el caballo.
Ah, gracias, gracias.
Bien tranquilo aquí.
Gracias, gracias.
Okay, we'll try down that way.
What do you think? Wow, look at that. How many times can I slip today? Yeah. Say hi. Hola. Uh-oh. So I mean, there's a little Charca right here, but I would doubt that they would put it on the map for this something this small, huh? Okay. Okay, so we just tried to find Charca el Zumbo. We're in this neighborhood now because we walked through the river because we thought it was just right at the end of the line of the river. But it was really, really slippery and we went through some quicksand and it was super hard with Aiden. So we're gonna see if we can find another entrance into it. Going down this way, we'll see what we can find. It's always an adventure when you've never been somewhere before.
Was that fun, Aiden?
Funny. He's doing so good too.
I checked the Google satellite and it looks like there used to be a trail with 2 car tracks that goes right down to the waterfall. So we're just going to follow this overgrown path and I think I can hear it. So we'll get there.
Pretty far up there, up here. So now we have to figure out a way to get down. I think we're close to it now. This is it, but way down there. I'm gonna transfer Aiden and use this rope that is actually a vine. Okay, I think we might have found it. Yeah, the ropes will help us.
I'm using them, yeah.
Somebody put them here to help. That's good. Oh, watch out, Aiden. Careful, go slow.
Once you see this, grab it.
Okay.
For yourself.
How pretty this is. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Oh, it's got some wild heliconias. You have to be careful. You have to be careful, Aiden. Be careful where you step. Let me put you down. Let me drop you down. Ready? Charca el Zumbo. It's really amazing. Look at how this, I guess, cave kind of thing is forming all this mossy growth on it, on the calcium deposit. It's really soft though, it comes off really easy, so you gotta be careful here. But you can kind of climb up and around here. The pond itself, the pool is deep enough to swim, and as you go through there, there's like a canyon that forms. It's super neat to hear. And then there's also there's even a swing right there. It's really neat little pond, little waterfall out here.
Turtle.
Tortuga.
Here we go, the fast track to get to Cassie. Always be super careful when you see this plant. It is the carrasco leaf, and if you get it too much on your skin, it will cause you to have blisters. It's basically Puerto Rican poison ivy. I'm exploring up through here through this canyon of the Charca Zumbo. It's really cool. It's starting to smell pretty bad, and I think I see why. It's a dead cow. I'm not sure if it fell or what. Aww, little thing.